Cheese pie with walnuts. Ingredients: 2 pie crusts, 2 tablespoons of clear gelatin dissolved in half a glass of hot water, a can of evaporated milk, a can of condensed milk, 100 grams of nuts, 190 grams of cream cheese, 350 grams of ricotta. Preparation: we begin by pouring the evaporated milk into the blender jar. Next, we pour the condensed milk. Then, the ricotta. Mix these ingredients in the blender. Next, cream cheese is added. It is again blended so that the ingredients are mixed well. While they are being mixed, part of the clear gelatin is added. When done with the clear gelatin, the nuts are added. Finally, pour the mix into the pie crusts. Place it in the fridge for approximately 2 hours. Ready! A sweet dessert with the rich flavor of nuts.